I'm going to show you how to make an origami bat for Halloween. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how I made the wings bigger than the normal design. Because origami is essential. Let's go! First, fold the paper in half to make a rectangle. Then open it up and fold it in half in the other direction to make another rectangle. Then open it up again and fold this edge into that middle line that we've just made. Then do the same on the other side. Then open it up again and we're going to fold this edge into this line here. Open that up and fold it in half diagonally to make a lovely triangle shape. And open that up and fold it across the other diagonal. Now all the pre-folds are complete. Now we're going to take these two edges here and fold them down to the bottom. Make sure that you have this side with those two lines closest to you. And if you've made a water balloon, this is the water balloon base. Now we're going to fold this bottom part here through this line so as it touches the top point. Up like this. But don't squash it down just yet. Turn it around this way. Bring this point to the top and then flatten everything down nicely. Now we have this little triangle flap here. Fold that up to this end. Here's a close-up of how it looks so far. Now we're going to fold this end over here and fold this edge back into the middle. Like that. And this edge we're going to fold in a little bit. So it's not all the way to the middle line, but getting pretty close. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. So fold that bit over and this bit over as well. This edge we fold into the middle. Fold this edge in towards the middle. And this goes back over there. Now turn the whole thing over and look at this line along here. We're going to fold using that line. So this comes down like that. Before we flatten it down, we need to fold the pointy ear shapes. So this bit comes over here. Same on the other side. Then this part fold down like that. And same on the other side. This part fold down like that. Next, this point in the middle, we fold down, which makes a clear head and pointy ears shape. Now we have completed the normal bat design, but let me show you how to make the wings a bit bigger and I think a bit better. Turn your bat over, and this part here, we're going to pull down a bit further. The exact amount doesn't matter, but between this line and this line would be best. Flatten that down a bit. I'm going to roll this part out along here, which stretches out that white triangle shape a bit more. And then flatten down the wing on that side. Then we do the same to the other wing. Roll out that white triangle a bit more, flatten it down, and then flatten the rest of the wing as well. So with that simple step, we have a much larger and impressive looking bat wing. The final step is to fold the wings so as it looks like it's flying. So I'm going to fold it along that line there, which is the front of the bat's body. So the whole wing's folded across, folded back to this line here. So it's in line with this part here. Then fold the remaining bit back so it's in line with this bit here. Now we do the same on the other side. Fold the whole wing across the bat's body. Fold it back to this line here. And then fold the remaining edge down to this middle bit here. And when you unfold it, it looks like the bat is mid-flight. If you kept your bat with normal wings, fold it in similar places to get a similar effect. So across the bat's body, back down to there, and then across. And you can either keep your bat as an impressive looking silhouette, or you can add a face onto it to give a bit of character. So that's how to make an origami bat with extra large wings. Which one do you think is better? This extra large wing design or this normal sized wing design? Let me know in the comments. Who'd like a tutorial on how to make an origami cat for Halloween? Click this video to see a much faster tutorial for how to make this bat. And subscribe to see some more origami tutorials and book folding. Remember, origami is essential.